Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Young Aaron, and today I will be talking about why I think that HAX CMS should be used for open educational resources, and universities should use this instead of other websites for their courses. So here I have displayed um, private networking. I've done a few pages on the side here. So to create a page, what I've done is just to add a new page. And it's very easy. You can just make it whatever you want and create the page. From here, it just adds it to where below the page you selected. Then from here, you can just edit the page as you like. So for example, if I wanted to just type in YouTube, you just come up and you save the channel, and there it is. The reason why I also think you should use HAXcms is because you can, while editing the page, you can also search for GIFs, YouTube videos, Vimeo, Flickr, Wikipedia articles as well. There are multiple ways of incorporating social media devices into your web page. So, for example, YouTube, I'll just click Wikipedia, sorry, I'll just click YouTube. And here you have YouTube, YouTube Premium, list of viewed most of YouTube. So I'm just going to go YouTube in general. And then it brings up it brings up the whole article on the web page of Wikipedia on YouTube. And as you can see, once I save the page, it saves it as a window and not copy the page. And it has the complete citation at the bottom. So great for external resources. This is also a free to use website, web page, which you can use. And that is another reason why I think that you should use HAXcms to create courses online. As I've shown, it is very simple. And even you can edit the site settings. So the way it looks. You can order over here. Oops, click too many buttons. Over here, you can organize the site. So if I think the tutorial should go at the bottom, just click on it and move it all the way to the bottom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.